Hello everyone. Today we are going to take an in-depth look at a type of material that is indispensable in high-temperature environments. Refractory materials. They can maintain stable performance under extremely high temperatures and are widely used in many industries, such as construction, metallurgy, petrochemicals, aerospace, and so on. In this field, Rongsheng has always been deeply engaged with a professional attitude, providing reliable refractory solutions for various industries. Next, we will get to know refractory materials from three aspects: classification, development history, and application fields, and see how Rongsheng plays a role in them. First, let's talk about the classification of refractory materials. According to their main components and properties, they can be divided into the following categories. The first type is refractory bricks, which are mainly composed of alumina, magnesia, silicate, and so on. They have excellent heat resistance and thermal shock resistance and are widely used in furnace structures. Refractory bricks produced by Rongsheng, with precise formulas and advanced craftsmanship, perform stably in various high-temperature furnaces and are highly trusted by customers. The second type is refractory castables, which are composed of refractory aggregates, binders, additives, and so on. They are often used for the repair and pouring of parts, such as furnaces, furnace bottoms, and furnace doors. Rongsheng's refractory castables are easy to construct and have high strength, which can quickly respond to equipment maintenance needs. The third type is refractory mortar, which is based on clay, kaolin, and so on, and is used as an adhesive for the masonry and repair of refractory bricks. Rongsheng refractory mortar has strong bonding power, ensuring the integrity and tightness of refractory brick masonry. The fourth type is refractory insulation, materials such as expanded perlite and aluminum silicate fiber, which are mainly used for the insulation of high-temperature equipment. In the field of refractory insulation materials, Rongsheng continues to optimize product performance to ensure the efficient operation of equipment. Next, let's look at the development history of refractory materials. In the early days, the earliest refractory material used by humans was clay. Through firing pottery, clay-based mortar and refractory bricks were gradually developed, and the start of Rongsheng also began with in-depth research on traditional refractory materials, laying a solid technical foundation. In the mid to late 20th century, the development of synthetic materials promoted the progress of refractory technology. Zirconia, carbon compounds, and so on improved the performance of refractory materials during this period. Rongsheng increased investment in scientific research, introduced advanced technologies, and the product performance achieved a qualitative leap. Entering the 21st century, new technologies, such as nanotechnology and biomass materials, have brought new opportunities. For refractory materials, Rongsheng actively embraces new technologies, integrates them into product research and development, and continuously launches more efficient and environmentally friendly refractory materials. Let's talk about the application of refractory materials in different fields. In the metallurgical field, during the smelting of steel, non-ferrous metals, and so on, refractory materials are used for the manufacture and maintenance of furnaces, furnace bottoms, furnace doors, and other parts. To ensure safe and stable production, Rongsheng's refractory materials have withstood the extreme high temperatures of metallurgical smelting, helping production to proceed efficiently. In the power field, in boilers and other equipment in thermal power plants, refractory materials can improve thermal efficiency and reduce heat loss of equipment. Refractory materials provided by Rongsheng for the power industry have effectively improved the operating efficiency of boilers and reduced energy consumption. In the aerospace field, high-temperature components, such as rockets and aircraft engines, rely on refractory materials to ensure the normal operation of equipment under extreme conditions. Rongsheng is also actively exploring the application of refractory materials in the aerospace field, striving to contribute to this high-precision field. In the new energy field, in new technologies such as solar power generation and fuel cells, refractory materials are used to improve the thermal stability and service life of equipment. Rongsheng keeps up with the development of new energy and the related refractory materials, provide support for the reliable operation of new energy equipment. Finally, let's look at the future outlook. With the continuous development of science and technology, refractory materials will develop in the direction of lightweight, high performance, and environmental protection. Emerging technologies such as nanotechnology and biomass materials will continue to provide support for their research and development, and customized refractory materials for different application scenarios will also become a trend. Rongsheng will always be at the forefront of the industry, relying on strong R&D capabilities, continuously launching better refractory materials, expanding applications in high-temperature processes, new energy and other fields, and providing more solid material support for human development and progress. That's all for the introduction of refractory materials. We hope that through today's content, you have a clearer understanding of refractory materials and Rongsheng's efforts in this field. If you have more questions about refractory materials, please leave a message in the comment area, and we'll see you next time.